How to change the payment method in the Progressive Insurance. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly change the payment method in the Progressive Insurance. You have several options available for adding a new credit card or a bank account to your account. One way is to reach out to the official help desk of the Progressive Insurance for assistance in adding a new payment method or modifying your primary payment method. Alternatively, you can choose to include a credit card in your online account, enabling it for the single-use transactions. But if you wish to proceed with this method, kindly adhere to the steps outlined below. It is important to note that adding a credit card online does not automatically set it as primary payment method. To add a fresh credit card online, you have to access your online account first. If you lack an online account, click on the link to create one, or simply go to the login option over here in order to sign into your account. Now locate and select the account on the right hand side of the web page. Click on Manage Payment Methods and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Add Credit Card. You should wish to designate this as your primary payment method. Please get in touch with the official help desk of the Progressive Insurance. So this was all about how can you change the payment method in the Progressive Insurance. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.